Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Rob. In this video, I'm going to do a quick run through on Valhalla Supermassive. Once again, they've come out with an update, version 1.1.1, and they've added a couple modes, Triangulum and Large Magellanic Cloud. And so I'm just going to dig right in. I've got a instance of Spire soft synth here with a really plucky sound. Let me just show you what this one does. Let's put it on notes here. 16th. And so it's a long repeating, and then you can adjust that with the warp, and that kind of breaks up your delays and makes it more reverby. And feedback would basically be your decay in this case. So let's get this ARP on here and let her rip here. And obviously you wouldn't have to have the mix up that high. You could take it down or even use it as a send. So you have kind of an unusual atmosphere in the background for just about anything you wanted to do, whether it be a pluck, whether it be an ARP, whether it be some kind of a synth pad. Let's pick a synth pad here. And see if we can find one here. Or here, let's just go with a lead. Trumpet. But obviously it's more dramatic with a plucky sound. So let's go back to the pluck. Okay, let's go to Triangulum. So it has a little bit different sound. And then, of course, you could add Valhalla Room, which is only, I think, still only $50. So go buy Valhalla Room while you're on the website, pick up Valhalla Supermassive, and you're all set. This is my favorite reverb, by the way, and it's only $50. I think it beats everything else out there. Of course, I haven't bought some of the really super expensive ones, but it has such a lush sound. Just listen to this. So imagine what kind of breakdowns you could come up with this combination. So there is a friendly reminder that there is a really great free plugin out there, Valhalla Supermassive. Go ahead and grab it. It's free. It's right here on the Valhalla DSP website, Valhalla Supermassive, free. Just download it right here. They don't even ask for your email or anything. So just go for it. And thank you very much for watching, and be sure and hit that like button and that subscribe button, and that way you'll be notified for the next video.